Well, hey, there's Catherine from Catherine Puller Designs. Our Lasso Life collection is now available, and it includes our 3 brand new inks. So we have Glacier, Cashmere, and Succulent. These inks are perfect for working with our Lasso Life collection. We've shared lots of ideas so far. If you haven't checked out the YouTube videos, we have several up already. And in today's video, we are going to look at the Daisy Days bundle. I'll also give a quick peek at the other products in the collection, and we'll talk about how they work together. The Happy Horseshoes bundle. 3 large horseshoes, 1 medium, and 1 small. We did different patterns on each horseshoe, and the one with the stars has open space for you to be able to stamp the sentiments right on that horseshoe. You can stamp the horseshoe in a light color, add the sentiment in a dark color, or vice versa. That Howdy Partner one, I embossed in white. You'll find the images from the horseshoes as stamps, so you can stamp them, die cut them, and embellish your horseshoes for a really unique look. The Lasso Life sentiment set was designed by our very own Erica, and I love the fun sentiments she included. Not my first rodeo, I'm here for you, those 2 go together. And then the hold your horses and let me catch up, those 2 go together, and it's just a fun and kind of different way to say, I'm excited to see you, let's catch up, or I'm here for you, I've been down that road before. Have a rootin' tootin' good time. That just makes me crack up. So this is a really great, unique sentiment set that goes perfectly with all of the products in this collection with that Western revival theme. We have the Dodge City sequins and then the Howdy Partner patterned paper. And here's a look at a couple patterned paper heavy cards. And then this one by Christy Goulet, she used those flowers to decorate the horseshoe, and that is exactly what we envisioned when we created and designed this stamp set. And this card will be coming up in a video soon, and then the interlocking horseshoes. Next up is the These Boots bundle. We have 3 large boots, and then again, we took the images from the boots and made them into individual stamps. We have several flowers that have the outer and then the inner. So right here, you can stamp the outside and then the inside. Can also use them as beautiful backgrounds, and the sentiments are so fun. You're cute and kind to boot, and then kick up your heels. And then we have the Dusk Till Dawn cover plate, which is so fun and adds just great dimension and texture to your cards. I have a video coming up showing some fun ink blending techniques, so be on the lookout for that. And then the Greensboro sequin mix, Wrangler jeans, originated in Greensboro, North Carolina, so we're paying homage to that. And then here is a better look at the cuts and stitching details in that cover plate. And then here, the small flowers were used to adorn the boots as a background stamp and then to be sprinkled across the card. The Lucky Blooms stamp set is a freebie in the first week of release. Just spend $50, add this to your cart, and then the code YEEHAW to get it for free. Don't forget to add the dies. These coordinate with our patterned paper. The images were taken right out of there, so it's going to be a perfect coordination, and I love those medallions. Speaking of coordination, the Daisy Days bundle is going to be perfect for working with all the other products in this collection. Again, it was designed to go that way. So you can use the Daisy Days on its own, or stamp and die cut or stamp backgrounds and use it with the boots and the horseshoes. I love this first card with its beautiful background and that one popped up flower, but also imagine a boot on that card instead of the flower. It's going to work perfectly. The Sunburst Diamond Die is going to be a perfect layering piece, and it was created for the flowers, but also, again, horseshoes and boots are going to look amazing. Here are a few other cards created with the Daisy Days, and this one by Amanda, she just used a mini ink pad and swiped it gently across her watercolor cardstock, and there's so much texture going on there. Lastly, we have the Lasso Life must-haves. So we have the Yeehaw word die and the fringe die. These two products are going to complement every single other product in this collection. Just look at how much fun the fringe adds to this card. So for our Stamp Nation members, our quarterly class for the first quarter of 2025 is going to be Fringe Frenzy, and we are going to have a frenzy with the fringe die. So head over to catherinepuller.com/stampnation and join us and get in on that class. It's going to be great. All right, let's get inky with the Daisy Days bundle. The Sunburst Diamond die has 2 dies. You can use them alone or together. So here it is just with the 1 die. And then if you want to add the second one, it will cut out the center and then it becomes a frame. So when we created this die, my vision was to assemble the flowers around and use the diamond as an anchor, kind of like this. Dies like this are always begging me to make them into a shaker. I just used it as a guide and just cut my window sheet down. Just as long as it's a little bit smaller than your frame, you're going to be fine. And then we need a piece of white cardstock to anchor it to, basically. So I'll just give a trim. And then we'll adhere the window sheet to the frame. We need foam tape to pop up the layer so that the sequins will move around freely inside the frame. And make sure they're connected all the way around so that your sequins can't escape. For our shaker card, we need sequins. So I'm jumping off of the Howdy Partner pattern paper pack, and the Dodge City sequin mix was created to go with it, with its cashmere and sauna and terracotta sequins in there. But I'm going to use the pink pattern from the Howdy Partner pattern paper pack. Say that 5 times fast. And I want to pull in some blue. So I'm going to grab the Greensboro sequin mix, which was made to go with Calico Charm, but we can mix and match here. The Daisy Days stamp set is a 2-step stamping set. So you stamp the outline and then you can color it in with your medium of choice, or you can use the filler stamps. So I will stamp cashmere. My biggest challenge is always lining it up. So there is a big gap right here, and you can see that big gap on the stamp. So we did that on purpose so that it's a little easier for you to line up. And let's see if we can do a little darker edges for this one. I'm gonna grab an ink blending brush and give it a couple little taps. So cashmere and sandcastle are really fantastic neutrals, and cashmere is a little darker than, or sandcastle is a little darker than cashmere. Oh, I love that. For the center of the flower, let's use Over Coffee. Stamp the outline leaf in Midnight and then the filler stamp in Succulent. I love that we included the dies for the sentiments as well. And then we will just go ahead and die cut these images and then we can make our card. The pattern paper layer is cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is a card base size. And then the frame over the top, if I want the pattern paper to show through, I can leave it like this. But if I want to hide the pattern paper, I can cut the diamond right through the pattern paper. So now I'll start building my card. I'm going to add this pattern paper directly to my card base. The shaker piece will go directly over the top. My sequins, we'll add these in first. Remove the backing from the foam tape and add straight to the card front. Just lining it up in the open window now. Oh, that looks great. And then we can tie in some of these colors with our flowers. In a field of roses, she is a wildflower, or thankful for you. Either one is gonna be awesome. Oh, I love these cashmere and sandcastle flowers. And I don't know, maybe I just need to use the pink ones. These look great. And a few. I'm loving what's happening here, and I'm sure you can imagine a bunch of different patterns behind this diamond die. And then also maybe adding a boot or some of the other images from the other two main image stamp sets. Lots of versatility. I think this diamond, sunburst diamond die is going to be a staple in my crafting, whether I made a shaker card or just do layers for my card fronts. It's a unique shape, and I love all the detail around the edges. It's just really a fantastic die. And I'm loving the flowers. I love the cashmere and sandcastle. I've got a pop of pink in there. And then instead of using leaves, I thought I would use the paisleys from the Happy Horseshoes stamp set. So I love that I can mix and match my products this way, and everything was made to coordinate together. And then this became a beautiful thank you card. The Lasso Life collection is now available at shop.catherinepuller.com. And here's a quick look at the ink color combinations that you're going to want to grab for the pattern paper that we've designed for this collection. I hope you are as excited as we are. Thank you for being here, and subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you again really soon.